to Very Vegan with Terry. I am Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to show you how to do an umami sauce. Umami is spelled U-M-A-M-I, and it's something that's contained in a lot of Asian foods, skewer meats, that type of thing. This is made naturally, so there's no chemicals, no dangerous substances in this, so it's good for you and it gives you that yummy feeling. So let's get started. Okay, this is a cup of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, and we're just going to let this come to a boil. All right, it's starting to steam, but it's not quite there yet. We're getting there. All right, for our purposes, this is close enough. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, 1.5 tablespoons of molasses, along with a ½ teaspoon of pepper. This is going to cook for 3 minutes. You do want to stir occasionally just to make sure everything's well blended. Another 1.5 minutes or so. It's been 3 minutes. Turn the heat off. Remove your pan from the heat. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of miso paste, which has been dissolved into 2 tablespoons of water. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Once this cools, you can put it into a Tupperware container. It will keep in the refrigerator for a few days, maybe a week. You can use this in any kind of stir-fry recipe. You can use this in anything with lentils, anything like that. If you want to make it just, get rid of any chunks from the garlic, you can put this in your blender and mix it up just to kind of smooth things out. Totally up to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.